Engel Austria is a leading global manufacturer of injection molding machines for the production of large quantities of plastic parts. At its site in St. Valentin, Engel has now invested in a new, fully automated vibratory finishing system from Rösler. This system is used to finish the plasticizing screws, which are the heart of every injection molding machine. The system is integrated into a continuous production network. The grinding cells, setup station, washing system, and vibratory finishing are directly connected to each other via remote automation. This facilitates material flow and significantly reduces manual intervention. The new plant network sets high standards and enables largely unmanned, highly efficient and fast processing of the screws. This is also thanks to the new setup concept.
The new equipment concept represents a significant step forward. Whereas in the past each part had to be clamped on both sides with extension elements, today simple insertion with floating bearings is sufficient. This has enabled us to significantly reduce setup times and simplify handling considerably. The system is an important contribution to our ability to continuously improve our processes with clear interfaces, reduced effort, and stable results in daily operation. The technical implementation together with Rösler and Pomut was important because we were able to tailor the processes precisely to our requirements.